Introducing our IoT-based insecticide trap system, a smart and efficient solution for automated pest control. The system starts by initializing the ESP32 microcontroller, then collects the environmental data using the DHT11 and the BMP32 for the temperature, humidity, and pressure. When both temperature and pressure exceeds the predefined threshold, the system activates the UV light and the fan. The UV light attracts the insect towards the device, and the device, as they come close, the high-speed rotating fan blades strike and kill them instantly. This intelligent and automated process ensure effective insect elimination through real-time monitoring and responsive action, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly pest control solution.